Guys, just expect it, we're Team Sen. We're opposite legends, Espresso and Oxox. We're going to do full def on this one so that we will go second, But here is the gameplay. Listen very carefully, guys. All Apex approach the MVP platform. Okay, Apex approach the MVP platform. Boa and Claw, I want you to U-turn. Go to the mid, go to Legends choke point, and go to MVP platform. Backstab them. All Apex front approach, MVP platform. Boa and Claw, U-turn. Okay, backstab them. Speed kick, fast kick, guys. Speed kick, fast kick. Okay?
Okay,
And
okay.
and then all MVP killer wait to be summoned at the MVP platform. Don't die quickly. We're going to backstab them. All Apex, Cat Cafe on the first clash. All Apex, Cat Cafe on the first clash. Okay? Okay, go. Go, go, go. Cat Cafe up, Apex. Manual Reso, Supra. All Apex if you die. Okay. All Apex if you die, just defend now. Defend now. Defend now, don't go back now. Just defend, just defend. Apex 1 and 2, defend now. Bowa and Claw, still MVP. Bowa and Claw, still MVP. All Apex, just defend on the stairs, on the stairs. Just go to the stairs. Bowa and Claw, backstab. Bowa and Claw, backstab. Cat Cafe, Bowa and Claw. Kill them, kill them, kill them. Fight, 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 fight. Okay, they got the MVP. Okay, everyone defend now. If you just defend now, just defend our base. Just defend our base. Just defend our base for now. Apex Bowa Claw, just defend our base for now. Bite them, Jormon, bite them, Manuel Resu. Claw, 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 front line, claw, front line. Push, push. Claw, go to our junction. MVP killers of Boa and summoners. Go to the middle, go to the middle, MVP killers. Boa, 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 go to the middle. Claw, claw, go to our junction. Boa, go to the middle and then backstab, backstab. I want you to backstab legends.
Copy, copy.
Just try to steal. Don't get broken. Apex, just defend our M. Claw, 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 just go to our junction,
Okay. I think Legends will go to middle now, but not full will.
Okay, all Boa, all Boa. We're regaining the MVP platform. Claw, 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 just stay at our junction. We don't want to get broken. Claw, claw, stay at our junction. I don't want to get broken. This is four-way, this is four-way. Whoever don't get broken has bigger chance to get second. Okay, Boa, Boa, Boa. You can go to
Mm-hmm.
the MVP platform now.
Okay, okay.
Claw, claw, claw. Hold our junction, left and right. Apex, M-box, and stairs. Don't have to be the strongest, We just have to sustain. People are summoning to our base now. Claw, 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 claw. Apex. Just pull them, Apex. Oh, they got it again. Oh, Ox, Ox, kill that one. Full def, full def, full def, full def. Pull it, pull them, pull them, pull them. Ox, Ox, oh. Oh, they summoned already, they summoned, they summoned. Pull them, Elf, pull them. Black hole, black hole, black hole. Don't get broken, don't get broken. Claw, hold our junction, Stairs. Okay, I want everyone now. Sanctuary on our M, Sanctuary on our M. Pull them,
Guys,
pull them, pull
remove
them.
LP.
Remove LP. Hoy, Jurmon, Jurmon. Don't LP. That's our M. That's our land pro. Don't land pro on our M. Pabobohan naman. Oh. Go, go, go. Push, 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 Klo. Push on our junction. Just don't get broken, ha? Let them break each other. Hold our junction for a long time.
Still can't fake.
CMs, there's only few of you. I know who's going to do land pro, ha?
Thank you.
Klo, hold our junction. All Apex impacts. They're already trying to go.
Legend summoned.
Summon back our base. Pull that elf, elf, pull that attacker.
M.
Pull that attacker. Sanctuary, sanctuary. Bite them, bite them. If you have snake form, just bite them. Petrify yan. Just def. Don't get broken, guys. Don't get broken. We don't want to go last, ha? Clearance, say Sufra, clearance, Sufra. Let them pincer. Walang score yung kills dito. There's no score in killing.
Your Red's Legend still on our amp.
Bite them, snake form. Apex Bawaklo, go to the box now. Summon back. Vision zero.
Copy.
Just step. Put your auto, air compression, all else, put it in auto, ha? Especially if you're doing MDEF. This is 30 minutes war.
Someone else
Patience.
too close.
Don't use LP near the M, guys. That's useless. Don't do LP. Someone's... Def. Apex Claw, def, impacts. Vision zero up. Wormhole yan. Go. Black hole, wormhole. Kill them. Just do sanctuary. Air compression, put it on auto, ah. Expel quicker. They're already going here. Cut cafe up. Put your fields now. Put your fields on the stairs. Sanctuary.
Enemy LP.
Oh shit. Okay, everyone now. Everyone. Go to the middle now. Everyone. We're gonna do our game. Go to the middle. Go, guys. Go. Push. Go to the middle. Everyone. Oleg Sojak, go to the middle. Summon to the middle. Everyone. Don't get camped, ah. We will take the middle. And then we will backstab Legends at the MVP platform. We will also camp them, what they did. Go take the middle. Oleg Sojak should be at the middle. Apex Bawaklo. Summon, guys, summon. If you see your party at the base, summon them. Regroup. This is still few. Okay, we're taking the middle now. Okay, very good. Okay, everyone, go to the Legends base. Everyone. Go to Legends base. Push. Legends base. We're going to backstab the Legends. Claw, stay at the choke point, ah. Bowa in Apex, go up the MVP platform. Manual reso, guys. Okay, cut cafe up. Choke them, Claw. Go to the right now. Bowa in Apex, go to the right now. Don't fight. Let Claw choke Legends.
Bowa going to MVP platform.
Clear MVP platform, Bowa in Apex.
Copy.
Claw, choke Legends. Putang ina mga tayo. Go, push. Kaya kami naman. Ano malilititin nyo, gago? Push. Claw, I don't want any Legends going out of their base. Apex and Bowa still the MVP on the north side. Manual reso, Saints. Manual reso. We can't afford to go back. We are being camped at the base. Don't spawn at our base, ha. Just spawn, just reso in place. Auto attack your mons. Auto attack. It's okay, give them the base. We want MVP. We want MVP. We're choking Legends now. Fight them, guys. Fight them. Don't be scared.
MVP about up here.
Vicious Europe, Apex and Boa. Still one, still one. Claw. Just sustain on our choke point. Legends choke point. Go. Oh shit, pinala pa
We
rin.
got it.
Okay, everyone now, Apex Boa Claw, go to MVP platform. We're free. We can go there directly. Apex Boa Claw, go to MVP platform, north side. MVP platform is clear now. Summon your party at the MVP platform. Claw. Go to the far side. Choke point of Legends. MVP Gaming. Saki Gracious again, guys. Saki Gracious again. Kill everyone on the MVP. Apex Boa Claw, I want everyone to battle on the MVP platform. Claw advance, choke them. Claw and Apex choke them. There are a lot in here.
Legends taking mid.
Let them take it. Everyone should be at the MVP platform now, ah. Manual reso. Fate pray yung DPS, guys. They only need... Are they 4 shards already? Legends, 1, 2, 4 shards. All Suma 1, run to middle. All Suma 1, run to middle. Suma 1, run to middle. All Suma 1, run to middle. Summon to middle now. Claw, run to middle also. Speed kick, fast kick now. Run to middle. They will triple rush, eh. Expel them.
Okay, middle taken.
Okay, good. Okay, all claw. Everyone, go to the choke point of Legends again and backstab. Choke point of Legends again, then backstab. Kill them. Aloys. Refresh already. Ox is at 3 o'clock pala, no? Okay. Can someone scout? 9 o'clock.
I'll check.
Boa, go now to the right. Claw, choke Legends again. Apex, go with Claw. Oh shit, kadala pa rin. Okay, everyone, go here at the choke point of Legends. Let's choke Legends. Ano tong mga to eh. Everyone, Olex Ojak, choke Legends. And then when it's about to appear, we go to the MVP platform. Let's force them. Claw, can you go to their base? Kill those who are respawning. All Claw summon to their base.
Legends in our base.
Oh,
Okay
okay lang
nga.
yan. Wala pa tayong MVP. Choke them, Claw. Choke them on their base. Touch Melisir on our base, ah. Puta, sakit ng deprav. Summon your party, guys. They're being camped here at the base. Hold them at their choke point. Respond.
There's only one party here in 9 o'clock. That point.
One party lang.
Yeah, one party Legends.
Wala tayong gagawin dyan. I want MVP still, eh. I want MVP still, guys. Oxox is about to win. Can everyone who's outside run to 3 o'clock crystal? Even the Suma one. Let's just come to 3 o'clock crystal.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, yeah, 3 o'clock. Everyone summon 3 o'clock. Summon 3 o'clock. Quick, expel them, expel Oxox. They're about to win if they take one more MVP shorts. Let's just hold this one for now. Let's just hold this one. Maybe we have better chance to steal from the south side. Expresso can also get some. Hold this one for now. Hold. 3 o'clock. Hold 3 o'clock for now. Okay. Okay.
Nice.
We got it. Okay, we advance now to Oxox. We advance to Oxox now. Oh, wait. Sorry. Go 3 o'clock. Hold 3 o'clock for now. Hold 3 o'clock. Everyone, Legends is going to jump here later. Hold 3 o'clock. They're about to win. Hold 3 o'clock. Ready cut cafe, Ready cut cafe. Hold 3 o'clock. Everyone, hold 3 o'clock. Cut cafe up. Cafe up. Legends is going to summon here already.
Vision up.
Put your fields. They're going to summon here. Expect them to summon here. Expel. No near dog. Just hold this one.
Espresso summon.
Cut cafe up. Continuous, cut cafe. 3 o'clock. So Expresso also got 3 shards.
Yeah.
Guys, just don't walk, Clear the fields.
Espresso's taking 3 already.
Okay, everyone go to the middle now. If you respond, go to the middle. Putang sana yung tote. Go middle, guys, go middle. Go middle, hold middle. Dutch Mill, kill Dutch Mill, guys, pull him, Is there at the choke point, he's just doing the prow. Ano mo, Kill him.
Summon middle, summon.
Take middle. Everyone go to the middle. Still ice. Ah, sakit. So painful. Sorry, so painful. What the F? Happy Chinese New Year for that kind of lineup.
Hey, at least Oxox also 4.
Yeah. I'm wanting to go to the middle so that we can control the game. But Dutch Mill alone.